Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the band width and tool compatibility. This matters for grip and corrosion resistance. Once chosen, measure and cut the stainless band, leaving a 1-2-inch overlap. Deburr the cut to avoid jams. Place the band around the package and align both tails so they run parallel. Feed the free tail under the seal and the other tail into the tensioner. Make a single initial crank to remove slack. This sets a consistent baseline tension before full tightening. You now apply full tension. Hold the tool steady and crank in controlled 2-3-second strokes so the rollers feed evenly. Rapid motions can cause twisting or cutting. Make sure the band remains flat and centered over the seal. If it drifts, stop and realign before proceeding. Continue until you reach the specified tension or torque value. If you have a tension gauge, confirm the reading. Once done, maintain the tool angle perpendicular to the band for a clean, tight wrap before moving to crimping. You finish by positioning the crimp seal over the overlapped band and actuating the crimper firmly. Proper orientation prevents miscrimping. After crimping, cut the excess band close to the seal, leave about 1/8 inch to avoid sharp edges, then file if needed. Inspect the crimp for full compression and no gaps. If the seal slips or the band frays, stop and retension or replace the seal. Check rollers and blades for wear. Regular inspection prevents repeat failures and ensures long-term secure banding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.